Over 60% of global carbon dioxide emission come from energy use, yet renewables already power 1 in 3 units of electricity worldwide. The world is clearly shifting to cleaner energy, but one question remains: is the green transition slowing growth or shaping it? This is the tension at the heart of sustainable development: how to keep economies thriving without driving the planet deeper into crisis. Our project is titled Decoupling Growth from Carbon. Can Renewables Redefine Prosperity? Decoupling means breaking the historical link between economic growth and rising emissions. We want to see if renewables can redefine what prosperity means, not just in terms of income, but in resilience, innovation, and environmental balance. To answer that, we focus on 3 questions. First, does renewable energy adoption support or hinder economic growth? Second, how does renewable energy affect carbon dioxide emission, the so-called green cost? And last, can countries achieve growth without increasing emissions? These 3 questions guided the entire structure of our analysis. We approached the problem using 3 complementary models based on data from over 120 countries between 2000 and 2022 from World Development Index repository. Model 1 is a panel regression on GDP growth, examining how renewable energy investment and efficiency influence economic performance. Model 2 is a panel regression on carbon dioxide intensity, capturing how renewables, energy intensity, and industrialization affect carbon efficiency. Model 3 uses XGBoost with SHAP analysis to interpret nonlinear patterns and identify which variables most strongly drive emission. Together, these models give us both statistical rigor and interpretability, helping us see not just what happened, but why. Based on our first analysis, renewable energy supports economic growth. Our panel regression shows a positive and significant relationship between renewable share and GDP growth. In short, countries investing more in renewables grow faster, proving that clean energy can be an engine and not a burden for prosperity. On our second question, the green cost, we find that countries with higher renewable shares emit less carbon dioxide per person, especially across Europe and East Asia. However, our regression also shows that industrialization weakens these decarbonization effects, meaning that rapid industry growth still adds carbon pressure. Even so, SHAP values from our XGBoost model confirm that renewables consistently lower carbon dioxide intensity across countries. So, renewables do reduce emissions, but industrial structure still matters. Finally, can countries achieve growth without increasing emission? The answer is yes. Our analysis shows that nations can grow while cutting emission when they invest in renewables and energy efficiency. And to make that possible, we propose the GROW strategy, or GROW, a roadmap for green prosperity. G stands for green investment, boosting renewable energy like solar and wind to power clean, sustainable growth. R stands for reform fossil subsidies, redirecting those funds to renewable projects and energy efficiency programs. O stands for optimize energy efficiency, improving how industry uses energy to raise productivity and cut waste. And last, W stands for widen clean tech adoption, accelerating electrification and innovation in low-carbon technologies. Through GROW or GROW, countries can pursue economic expansion and environmental sustainability at the same time. Green growth is not a contradiction, it's the way forward. With smart investment and reform, we can decouple prosperity from pollution. Growth and sustainability are no longer separate paths, they move together. This is how decouple growth from carbon. Thank you.